For that, but let's get back to more earnings, and we've got a management waiting by LG Balakrishnan. That's the company on our radar. They've seen a profit growth of 4%, while the top line has seen an increase of 8%. B. Vijayakumar, Chairman, Managing Director of LG Balakrishnan, is with us on the show now. Thank you very much, sir, for joining in, and season's greetings to you. In the first half of the year, your revenues have increased approximately about 8%, 1,230 crore for H1. Now, your target for the full year is 2,500 crore. Are you on track, or do you think the second half could be better than first half and you will be able to exceed your FY25 top-line guidance of 10%?
My Diwali greetings to all of you and to the viewers. We expect the next quarter to be even better.
Okay. And what about Q4? Do you have any visibility for Q4 and for the full year, FY25? What could you end the year with, sir, in terms of revenues?
We are targeting what we originally targeted. We will reach 2,500 crores.
Okay. So just wanted to understand how the demand is currently. When you say second half will be better than first half, or quarter three will be better than quarter two, how much better is the demand both in your export and domestic markets? How much is export as a percentage of revenues currently?
The export is stagnant. It will continue to be stagnant. We have a lot of headwinds in export. That's because of shipping, premium shipping, and a lot of difficulties in the shipping part of it, plus the time schedules. So we will continue the export at the same level. It will still be at about 10% of our turnover.
Yes. So are we seeing a decline in export growth because of all the reasons that you mentioned? Are you seeing delay in shipments, delay in orders as well?
Some customers are delaying their orders. They would like to buy within their own countries. Yes, there is a lot of headwind, but we have some good customers and we think we will be able to maintain the same turnover.
So the problem with export is logistical issues and also some demand softness, correct?
Demand softness is because they would like to have some kind of a dependable sourcing instead of depending on successful shipping and stuff.
Got it. Okay. Sir, margins have dropped in the current quarter to sub 17%. In the past, you've spoken at 17% as being the anchor on the margin front. What led to the margin drop in Q2? And do you think by the end of the year, on an average, you could get back to 17% margins?
Yeah, we will maintain that 17%. We were actually at 19%. We are now at 17%.
So this year, you will do margins of 17% for FY25?
Yes.
Okay. So, you do have new facilities which are coming in, and you had indicated that it will do revenues of around 100 to 125 crore rupees by the end of this fiscal. First, is this guidance on track? Second, what is the current capacity utilization that you're looking at?
I didn't get your last part.
The new facility, sir, has it already started? What is the capacity utilization there? And this year, will you do revenues of 100 to 125 crores from there?
Yes, we hope to do that. We will do about 100 crores, if not 125. We've already done about 12 crores, which is included in our turnover from both the steel unit as well as the industrial chain unit. So yes, we will reach that 125.
And the peak revenues from this facility, how much would that be, sir?
Ma'am, that depends upon our investment in the next year. We may slow it down because of conditions. As I said in my last interview, Europe is very sticky. So it depends upon how successful we are in breaking the market in Europe, which means then the turnover will increase.
Okay. So you get about 80% of your revenues from the domestic two-wheelers. And, analysts point out that, the company's revenues could be vulnerable due to impending electrification of vehicles, although the penetration is not very high right now. But, I think your presence in EV is slightly lower. So can you tell us what your EV plans are?
We have plans to get into the electronics side of the business. So it's going to be a slow entry into it. We are hesitantly looking at some possibilities. You know that we have invested into a company which is into electronics. So over a period of time, I can answer maybe a few quarters later about how successful we are in that line.
Okay. All right, we take your point, sir. Thank you so much for joining in today and speaking with us about your Q2 numbers and the outlook going forward. And festive greetings to everyone at the company as well. With that, we will do one thing. We'll slip into a break, but a small programming note as we do that. As we prepare to ring in the festivities this Diwali, tune into CNBC TV18 at 2:30 p.m. today to hear out the biggest of market voices giving their tips on how you can make your portfolio prosper this Diwali.